Amarago bengia mwanchu muligeri yabwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV na okwanire andonsi asoberete chinga kiechi ekero chire Chinsa Ikomi chimaragoba ya bono chikonerie Jumapili chitariki ni 13 omutinyino 10 omwaka wechiri wibere na mirongo ebere nebere ekero bono nyegenete nga Jumapili aonegendrete kuirabu ya no nyato kunyagwetera mangana mange gati yabo gokina wo uchumi sense ya Kenya kurende nyegenete nga nyasao kurendire no lime Ndizi TV goikachinga kie chitogo cha kuigwa na gotegerera na kurigereria ngana ria yagendrete kokoreka sense ya Kenya nyora litikoria lero sense mo ya ACK Grounds Cabinet nigo morai bwense Dr. William Ruto na barai bachorire serikali baikirana samasabo yechikanisa asobwamo unenjere mayo wakangambi ya mono no gusanga n'abakristo gati ya barai baikirana ororo bakwanira mange ayongo che okumanyia asenchira yobwenge kulinda sibalimo gotobwatia wetera senchira yetu mitandao no tolibra Ndizi TV News digital ensemo ya Facebook abayigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube ekarobata chingaki na bogo tweet @Ndizi TV News gosotoma karangara kiao wetera se namba yesimi botambere ase TV yao kwira nande asegeke kekerosyo egaran kumanye ayomona yanda mange asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni konkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nole tokubwatera na komo weika asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake ngo korwa ase county ya Nyeri abwase wetania bono muchando bwencharo wagetaba Kenya wetania chimilioni 4 gutaisano abuba kirino muchando bwenchara kubwatekana numurakero mutindi ogendrete goikera chi county wetania merongevere asense ya Kenya bono nigaba bwatani bechikanisa au mono korwa se diocese ya Nyeri bakoragwa no Archbishop Anthony Mweri banyariko babagoteba bachakirio murobelio manyekanete buna hope for you elio gosangereria shilingi wetania chimilioni 15 unenjere yamayoko bakonya kugora endagera elio gosanga n'abakenya bande au bakorwa se chi county au chia no bwenchara kubwatekana no murakera.
That we can run this program for the 2 months that are the critical breach before. We are hoping the rains will come. Some have come in some areas. So we do believe that within 2 months people will have some food, even though not maize and grains, but they will have some food. They won't be faced by starvation. Our target, if we are able to raise between 15 million and 20 million, we'll be able to assist a large group of families. Of course, our target will be to help us all who need. In families who have young children, we will also do so with some schools. Those who will not be having school feeding program, we'll try to support in one way, but we cannot foresee to support more than 2 months.
Oyono Archbishop Anthony Muheria Natali Muheri unanalibe kabwe litangani osko mutwe karatutigarete na mangana yomuchando bwena ababatani bechisemi korwase county ya Machakos nigobono baorokiri obwo bwabo bokoreto no muchando bwenchara ase county yemagega yaborokigwa gusoma baromanene bwa borokigwa batali goikerana ase chiskuru gosebakolia chiskuru nigobono ababwatani abo baburiye serikali koigora omurobiri bukuru endagera se chiskuru unenchera yamayoko beka barokye gutigara se skuru na kogenderera gosoma.
Children, actually we have quite a number of absenteeisms in Machakos County as we speak now. 30% of the pupils are not attending school because of hunger. So we are requesting the county government and the central government to have affirmative action to provide food in our schools, because hunger is striking our schools and the standards will be lowered if we don't take that one as affirmative action. Umurai
bwabange asebunge ichungwa oyoro mabunge o Kikuyu bono nigabolire omoraibwense Dr. William Ruto koba emeremo ensemo y'ababwatani b'echikanisa gosaba rai b'echikanisa ekiagera ngwetera masabo y'ensemo y'abarai ayo abakonyete na koiro borai aso konyora eserikali enya ya Kenya Kwanza okwana alitukulia lero ensemo ya ASK osensemo ya ASK Grounds ensemo ya Cabranet county ya Baringo ichungwa nigamobolire moraibwense kwa baraibe kanisa ejo amabaga asemeremo unenchere mayogo kinyo bokorari isiko ye kanisa.
Tunashukuru na Mheshimiwa Rais, wakati Bishop Kotut alikuwa anahubiri, nimesikia ameomba kazi, na mimi nakuuliza tafutia Bishop Kotut na wachungaji wengine kazi, sababu pia walituchunga kwa maombi. Na wewe mwenyewe umekiri ukasema kama sio maombi haungekuwa rais, na ni ukweli haungekuwa rais bila maombi. Mheshimiwa Rais, hii maombi ya hawa Kristo ndio imekufanya uwe rais, na kwa hivyo tunashukuru. Na sababu ametaja mambo mawili matatu, akasema mambo ya vijana na ajira, mambo ya kupambana na pombe haramu, na mambo ya kupambana na ufisadi. Mheshimiwa Rais, mimi
ange ababunge emerongo etano nomo b'emyaka meke gose young MPs nigo banyarako baba kumirana na gukwanira iguru y'emerobelyo bene babegete buna ababunge b'emyaka meke gokonya abakenya bake gose abasae chinga kibono bairwe oburai asogotenera chibunge ao asense ya Kenya bakoragwa no mabunge Omolo Kuria Kimani n'ababunge bande nigo baigwananire mbache kubwatesia balia banya baso asebunge asentunde ya bentangani koru ase balia banyorire bumanyi ase myake menge unana kibagwenerete ko baikange na ko babosemia merobelyo ki bagwenerete gutangania asogo Kenya asogo konya abakenya bange anene abasae ekiagera bange na ubabachorete goikasabisi chinga kiecho nigo batebire amangana yebyama ne mirengo ya siasa ya elire ne chinga kicho kurwa bakorari ochiasaba Kenya.
We've also had a chance to interact as young people with several of those that have been shortlisted to be elected as Yala members of parliament, and it was a chance for us to ask them the agenda for young people, so that again young people are not just just seen, but we want them heard. So we really wanted to hear their views of how Yala could, for example, be used as a platform for young people. So we've had very good deliberations, also to interact, to learn from each other. And sometimes we also come from a grueling campaign period. And during the campaign period, some of us called each other names across the political divide. And this time round, as young leaders, we want to be seen to unite the country. And first of all, for us to unite the country is to start by us.
Kwanza kabisa, kuonyesha inchi kuwa mambo ya siasa tumeweka kando na ni wakati wa kufanyia wananchi kazi. Ukiangalia viongozi ambao wamefika hapa siku ya leo hawajaangalia mirengo ambao wanaziwakilisha ama chama ambazo ziliwaleta bungeni, lakini wamekuja kwa pamoja kama vijana viongozi ili kuanza kuonyesha kuwa kazi ya nchi imeanza.
Wetania ababunge Ikomi nigo bakoretaro yabo goika ase bunge ya Kiharu elio koligereria emerobeli mekeranu yanyariko bagi kuikoranirwa amano mabunge bwense meyo ndindi nyoro kolengana n'ababunge abo emerobeli menge yekeraniwe ase bunge yo ngwetera ase kigancha gya CDF abo ase taro yabo yarenge go benchmark ose koligereria na araria ya maya akorekire ase bunge yo egere na barobo bairane wikirania bunayo ase chibunge cyabo nigo batebire basomira mange kurwasa mabunge ndindi nyoro ase batebire bagucha wikirania amaganyo y'abamenyi b'echibunge au babachorete guchia abisi.
Ran away from it. But for one reason or another, he chose to face and also use this model to make a difference in his constituency. We want to do the same in Nandi, in Mosop, And so I came purposely so that I can learn. And for the few hours I've been here, I'm so impressed with his team. I'm so impressed with the projects that they have done. And we look forward to also implementing the same in our constituency. And hopefully in 5 years, we'll be able to have people coming and see what we have done.
And I know most of us members of parliament, when we were campaigning, we were using Kiharu as a model, and our constituents were telling us that they'd like us to work the way Kiharu has worked. For us, we are neighbors, so they know what has happened in this constituency. And I think I would be failing in my duty if something like this was to happen, and I'm not here so that we benchmark and make sure that we deliver for our constituents. Because ultimately, those are the people who put us in parliament, those are our bosses, and we must serve them to the best of our abilities.
Parliament for Moya constituency. Today we came to learn from the best managed NGCDF FAD, that is Kiharu constituency, and we have learned quite a lot. This Kiharu constituency, the NCDF is so efficiently managed, the projects are managed efficiently, effectively, using very little resources, and we want to make sure that we have done the same for Moya constituency.
Omuswahili omunene bwa serikali Nordin Haji nikubona ababulire abaiboli korwa sorogongo rwa North Eastern mono county ya Garissa kobasemia borokigwa gosomera obworokia gosobwalimu asekorengana na Haji omubaromoke bwa borokia ogendete kwenekigwa asichinsemo ao asorogongo rwa North Eastern korengana boigo na Haji nigatebire aborokigwa bange nigo bakogenda basomera imirimo bune yobonyagitari eyobo wakili gatyemeremende na kweba gosomera obwalimu abo barorire buna nigo borobo abakemono ase county ya Garissa.
Fadhalini wazazi, mujaribu kuwahimiza watoto wetu wakuwe walimu. Tuna shida sana North Eastern yote kwa mambo ya walimu. Kila mtu anataka kuwa nurse, kila mtu anataka kwenda procurement. Wanaona hii walimu hakuna faida, lakini walimu iko na faida kuliko mambo ya procurement, kuliko mambo mengine ambayo watu wanakimbilia huko mbele. Kama sisi tunaweza kushikana kuhakikisha watoto wetu wanaona faida ya kuwa mwalimu, basi tunaweza kuwa mbali. Juzi tulikuwa na watu ya TSC wanasema hakuna walimu ya kutosha, hata kama tumepewa as North Eastern na North special allowances, hakuna watu wanataka kusoma wala kuwa walimu, na hiyo itaturudisha nyuma sana.
Ense ya Kenya nigegenderete konyora maigerio korwa se ekiombe kemo imense ya Korea asomorobeli manyekanete buna smart construction system eligo kinia omorobeli bobwaga chibwe chinyomba cherigoriria inse unenchere ya mayogo ikera ekerenga giense ya Kenya asomorobeli bobwaga chibwe chinyomba wetana chiribu chimebere na 50 kero mwaka eligo konya ba Kenya konyora chinyombe echo aserigoriria inse okwana se musangerekano yo no mawaziri bwabwerani bwa mangana Eliud Owalo oyo anchiranire na kwene kiabuna abamanyi bobwagacho bwokorwa sense ya Korea nigo bagendrete korwa maigerio na gokonya nse ya Kenya gusuka mutwe asobwagachi bwechinyomba.
To see as a country that we are learning and sharing our experiences. Africa is growing fast and we need strong partnerships and help to those who can help us to ensure the infrastructure we build are smart.
We have seen how Kenya is developing and fully committed to innovative, coordinated, green, open, and shared development. We also observed how Kenya has achieved remarkable results in promoting high-quality growth and building a new development program like Konza City. I encourage the participants at this forum to pull wisdom and build consensus to help write a new chapter in our Korea-Kenya comprehensive strategic partnerships.
We want to leverage on technology to facilitate transformation of our beloved country for purposes of both comparative advantage and sustainable economic development. The construction sector in particular is challenged therefore to keep up with the pace of digital technology and of course cope with the speed and rate of change in the dynamic operational environment.
Narayo asebono omwancho muligereria kurende amange asenchira yoboikiranu nekere koraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko naboigo Chinsa isato ekerogendete ko yareganirwa noyo minto Evelyn Osero mochokumira nage koraga ensa eyamo yabono botuko igoto baise gosuka kurwa Ndizi TV nero wansu bwomogusii nyora chikoraga Chinsa Ikomi na emo chimeragoba yabono mochokumira na noyo minto Mokogoti Joseph asomorobelyo bwemisa Jumapili akomanya mange akomanya gosoma kweli tikolia rero na araria yarenge asevirisya ao ase county ya Kisii Nyamira na Kenya ngima nyora Mokogoti na tatebetivu no gosoma nigo gokobo komo ase dini yege Katoliki igonachi okomanya mange asenchera yoboikiranu anyako bwate kerangara likende gyonsi gosono tagetogotera konako gotoma gwetera se namba SMS eyuere ase studio endo nyako motebinga ngaiwa shiriki gosenga iwa sanga ase Jumapili yalitikolia rero nene kelisa Kenya bururu ne kelisia ya Kisii Cathedral mosocho no gembo molikere asengencho kago chogoso ase studio no molero owoka ase ensemeyo igo bano tobaise gosuka yo minto Joseph Mokogoti ngochara ase TV yao ole tobaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no lia bwene kyabuna chibicha na maliogia goikira senchera yoboikiranu nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama nyora tomerane litikolia ankyo asomorobelyo bwensa kya Chinsa Ikomi na ibere oika Chinsa isato chimambia karato kubwaterana noyo minto Brighton Makoli nche nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.